This is Roland Ostrout at South Burlington ACE. I wanted to show you in regards to the first alert line of smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and how to choose the correct one for your location. The units that we have here when you were first starting with the smoke alarm, and you can also get combination units, but we actually have either the battery operated in the smoke alarm. This is actually a replaceable battery unit. This happens to be a non-replaceable battery unit, but it gives you as far as a 10-year warranty on the smoke alarm. These particular units here, you can get them with or without the escape light, which is a nice feature as far as lighting up a particular area. The units also, they do recommend in regards to changing them out either 6 to 8 years, but usually the units will actually give you the indication in regards to replacement on there. So it's a good thing in regards to the unit that when you do install it, it obviously put the date on it as far as the date of install. These are actually your smoke alarms. Your carbon monoxide detectors that we have here, those you can get either a battery operated. As you can see, we'll actually have the symbol in the upper left-hand side. And the plug-in units, which we have here, same indication as far as a label. You'll also get these units here that certain plug-in ones will actually have a battery backup. So that is a nice feature, obviously, if the power does go out. Then you receive the combination here. You see smoke and carbon monoxide. These units also will have the feature of either a replaceable battery unit, or you can get one that actually has a 10-year battery replacement on it. And once again, these units, 6 to 8 years in regards to the lifespan on them. You can also get in regards to specialty units, it has not only the carbon monoxide but also the gas detection on there, such as natural gas or methane or liquid propane and so on and so forth. These particular units here are our most popular as far as battery or plug-in. However, you can get them that are also hardwired. These are also a first alert line. It's the BRK model. These units right here, and we'll take one right out of the box. These units here, you can get in either, once again, the smoke alarm, carbon monoxide, or the smoke and carbon monoxide features. And these particular units here will also have what they call, as far as a wiring harness or a pigtail in there. So even though you may not have a first alert brand, whether it be a new install or replacement, if you do not have the first alert brand because they won't be compatible with, for example, the Kitty product, you'll have actually the wiring harness to convert that, which obviously connect it right to your wiring system to your home. So this is the hardwired is what they refer to that. And once again, a similar lifespan on there. Now the locations of these particular items is generally on every level and very similar to as far as your fire extinguishers, but definitely as far as bedrooms, and as far as sleeping areas in regards to that for early indication. One very important feature I wanted to point out, especially for the smoke alarms, and this is in particular for Vermont, is back in 2009, they mandated in regards to that smoke alarms be photoelectric as compared to ionization. And that all has to do with the detection of the fire, to where the photoelectric will detect as far as smoldering, whereas the ionization is more so as far as an open flame. And they've come to the conclusion in regards to most fatalities in regards to as far as smoke inhalation. So that's why the photoelectric is now mandated for the state of Vermont. So that's very important, and you'll find that Bibbins Ace hardware, that's all that they will actually carry in the store will be the photoelectric smoke alarms. So these are a must-have as far as in the store, and obviously in conducive with that is the fire extinguishers that we have, and those are units that go hand in hand with this as far as for safety for your home. You'll see that the boxes will clearly be noted in regards to your place of application. The most popular is our home line that you see down here. Reason being it's rated for not only as far as paper, wood, but also liquids and electrical equipment. And you will find specialty fire extinguishers out there. For example, the kitchen, which in most cases could be as far as liquid and electrical. We have automotive, which is generally rated for, once again, electrical or liquid. And you'll have different sizes. You will find that as we see around here, whether it be the home or people that own apartment buildings, that the larger fire extinguishers down here, usually the 5-pound is recommended for apartment buildings, but the 2.5-pound that you see right here is sufficient as far as for homes. These units are rechargeable and they are easy to operate, but once again, like the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, those are a must-have for safety at home.